Bollywood fans are buzzing with excitement as the much-awaited trailer of Dhurandhar, The Revenge starring Ranveer Singh is finally about to drop. This sequel to the blockbuster Dhurandhar has created massive anticipation ahead of its worldwide theatrical release on 19th March 2026. The film will release in multiple languages including Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and Malayalam, making it one of the biggest releases next year. Initially, there were reports that the trailer would be out on 3rd March, just before Holi, but it turns out that was never officially planned. Some media and trade analysts clarified that no official launch date had been set for that day. Later, rumors spread that the trailer launch was postponed at the last minute due to the Chandra Grahan, lunar eclipse, happening around the same time. This celestial event was believed to affect promotional plans and audience attention, leading makers to delay the trailer release. However, fans can now breathe a sigh of relief. Ranveer Singh himself recently confirmed the new trailer release date with an exciting announcement on his Instagram. Sharing a vibrant new poster of Dhurandhar 2, Ranveer wrote, "Brace yourself, trailer out tomorrow 7th March at 11:01 am. Dhurandhar The Revenge releasing in cinemas worldwide on 19th March 2026 in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam." This announcement has set social media on fire, with fans eagerly waiting to catch the first official look at the film. So mark your calendars. The trailer of Dhurandhar, The Revenge will release digitally on 7th March at 11:01 am. With the film releasing worldwide on 19th March, this trailer will give audiences a glimpse of the action, drama, and intensity they can expect from this highly anticipated sequel. Stay tuned and get ready to dive into the world of Dhurandhar once again, as Ranveer Singh gears up to bring his powerful performance back to the big screen. Tamil superstar Thalapathy Vijay is making headlines again, this time not for a film, but for his personal life. Reports say that Vijay's wife, Sangeeta Sornalingam, has filed a divorce petition at the Chengalpattu Women's Court. The case is currently with the Family Welfare Committee. In the petition, Sangeeta has alleged emotional cruelty, neglect, and an extramarital relationship involving the actor. However, she did not mention the name of the actress. Interestingly, the internet has previously linked Vijay with actress Trisha Krishnan, although both actors have maintained a dignified silence over the rumors. Amid the ongoing divorce case, Vijay and Trisha recently made a public appearance together. The two attended the family wedding reception of producer Kalpathy Agaram, who produced the film The Greatest of All Time under the banner of AGS Entertainment. In viral videos from the event, Vijay and Trisha were seen arriving at the venue together in a car. Vijay wore a warm gold shirt with a matching veshti and carried a flower bouquet. Trisha looked elegant in a sari as she walked beside him and posed for pictures. This marked their first public appearance together since the divorce case surfaced. Netizens quickly reacted online. One wrote, "A smart move to confirm their relationship." Another commented, "He took a bold decision on this important period of his life." According to the petition, Sangeeta discovered Vijay's alleged affair with an actress in April 2021. Despite assurances that the relationship would end, the association reportedly continued. Efforts to resolve the issue between September 2021 and February 2022 through legal counsel did not succeed. The petition also claims Vijay became emotionally withdrawn and subjected her to mental cruelty and neglect. Sangeeta said that his public appearances with the actress caused humiliation to her and their children. She has requested the court to dissolve their marriage and allow her to stay in their matrimonial home in Neelankarai, Chennai, until the case is resolved. Meanwhile, reports say Vijay's son, Jason Sanjay, has unfollowed him on social media. On the professional front, Vijay's upcoming film Jana Nayagan is currently awaiting clearance from the CBFC after missing its planned 9th January release date. The wedding of Arjun Tendulkar, son of cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar, turned into a star-studded celebration as he tied the knot with entrepreneur Sania Chando. The grand ceremony was attended by several Bollywood celebrities and members of the Indian cricket team. Photos and videos from the lavish event are now going viral across social media. One of the biggest highlights of the evening was the arrival of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan. The actor attended the wedding with his wife Gauri Khan and daughter Suhana Khan. Dressed in a stylish beige traditional outfit, Shah Rukh grabbed everyone's attention with his striking King look from his upcoming film King. Photos circulating on fan pages show the superstar mingling with guests and happily posing for pictures. His side-parted hairstyle and salt and pepper look, similar to the film's promotional visuals, became a major talking point among fans. Meanwhile, the Bachchan family also made a notable appearance at the celebration. Earlier in the day, Jaya Bachchan was spotted arriving with her son Abhishek Bachchan and daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. For the special occasion, Aishwarya looked stunning in a blue-toned anarkali with intricate embroidery and sequin detailing. Abhishek complemented her look in a classic black sherwani. Once inside the venue, the couple was seen posing together with friends and guests, staying close throughout the evening. Their appearance together also grabbed attention as the couple had faced intense split rumors last year. Interestingly, Abhishek Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan will soon be sharing the screen in the upcoming film King. Reports suggest that Abhishek will play the antagonist in the film. The movie is expected to feature an ensemble cast including Deepika Padukone, Rani Mukherjee, and Suhana Khan. With so many stars under one roof, Arjun Tendulkar's wedding truly turned into one of the most glamorous celebrations of the year. Dhurandhar director Aditya Dhar's wife and actress Yami Gautam recently found herself in the middle of an online controversy after a simple like on social media sparked debate involving Kriti Senon. The buzz started when Yami liked an Instagram reel that compared Kriti Senon's film Tere Ishq Mein with Yami's project. In the reel, Kriti was seen waving with her award on one side, while a statement from Yami's earlier interview appeared on the other. Soon, social media users began speculating that the like was meant as a comment on Kriti's recent award win. But now, Yami has cleared the air. Taking to her official X handle, the actress explained that the like was completely unintentional. She wrote, "We get tagged in multiple things every day, and this appeared during an award function reference like any other tag. It isn't true and was definitely not done consciously. If anything, it may have been clicked accidentally." Yami also addressed the growing discussion around PR tactics. She made it clear that she has never relied on such strategies and focuses only on her work, even stating that she doesn't have a PR team. The actress also referred to her earlier interview, which recently resurfaced online. In that interview, she had shared her thoughts about the awards system. Yami had said, "You try everything, and it still doesn't work. So, I've stopped seeking any kind of validation. If I get that award, then I am a good actress, and otherwise, I'm not." Nothing like that. The controversy divided the internet, with some users accusing Yami of dragging Kriti into a PR debate, while others supported her and felt she deserved more recognition. Meanwhile, Tere Ishq Mein, considered a spiritual sequel to Ranjana, stars Dhanush as Shankar and Kriti Senon as Mukti. The film hit theaters on 28 November 2025.